After a restless night of sleep and excitement, we woke up to Murph Martell fixing up a nice solid breakfast. We soon head out in the field to begin day one of our 6-day elk hunt.
Are you ready? Let's rock, man. Might be a little crunchy on these leaves. Like to find where you bedded down in. First thing, once we look there, then we'll come back and we'll sneak down this road to that little flat there. And then we'll come back, go out here and get out high and work our way back. Bedded down back in here. Yeah. Cover this here. Then we get down the road. I want to go back and cross down to the head of Mosquito Creek. Check it out. They'll come there, go there, heading back towards those other plots. And then we'll go back this way. Now, at least we're covering this area. Because he could have gone from here to there and nothing flat last night. Boy, if he'd just bugle, it would help us find him. That'd be great. Wouldn't that be beautiful? That's why there's a big one laying in here. He just popped right up out of here. Tell you what, he's not bad, my friend. I tell you what, nope. I don't have a very good shot. Come here, get right in front of me. I'm just gonna try to get that tree. Oh, he's going. Hang on, don't rush. Okay, I see him. I see him. Okay, follow me. You see him, Chad? I'm not sure. I lost him. He was going straight into that him right there. He's looking right at us. Hey, Chad. Yeah. He's straight away from me. I see him now. I see him. He's moving. Hang on. Hey, Chad. He's going that way. I see him. Hey, Chad. I can see him right here. You could get a shot from right here. Can you see him? Just barely. Come here. If you get over here in front of me, dude, you got a shot. He's out there.
I see him.
See him?
Yep, I see
I
him.
want to get down. He's standing broadside. Can you see his shoulder?
No, I can't find him.
Find him. Right here. See the stump right in front of us?
I see the stump.
Just to the right down through.
I can't get
You see him?
man.
You feel steady?
A lot of stuff in there, man.
There's one branch there, but other than that, it's clear because you should be shooting. Oh, wait, hang on. He's moving. Hang on. Hang on.
Take it off.
We'll get him. Hang on. Uh-oh.
He stopped, he stopped, he stopped.
And if you find something you're comfortable with, bro, take it. I can't see him. There he's moving again. Okay. Hang on. Slowed him down anyhow. He's running now. Hang on. Let's see if we can find him. We're going to have to get around in front of him.
Yeah, I lost him. I see where he's at.
I tell you what. If we can't follow him, he'll just keep bumping.
Okay.
Now let's get back out of here. Tell you what, actually, let's beat feet that way and get down in. He's a nice one. Let's get him.
All right.
Let's get out of here.
But all I could see was the contrast from the light to the dark.
That's what you're looking for. Let's catch our wind. Anybody need a drink of water? Be able to get it. Nice bull.
Was it?
Nice dark rack, white tips.
I couldn't see the horns any time. I just saw the silhouette.
Man.
Hope that's a turkey hunter.
Yeah, they're not elk hunting. But he's going down in.
That's good.
Yeah, oh yeah, I know where he's going. We just don't, I mean, he was just here one time, he was getting out of there.
Yeah.
And then I hit that cow call, he stopped.
My best shot was probably when I first saw him. I'm like, Jerry, and I couldn't see any
If you
antlers.
can't tell for
I
don't.
couldn't see the antlers, and he says it's a bull, but I couldn't tell. I'm like waiting for the
Better
go ahead.
Better to wait.
I knew it was a bull, but I couldn't tell. I couldn't see.
That's right.
How big.
You gotta wait. That's good. Now
He was standing broadside looking up this way, and
Yep.
I'm like, Jerry.
it's okay. I said, he'll calm down. He's just going down in that knot there.
All right.
Need a quick drink of water or something?
Yeah, that might.
We understand how hard you work to collect your pelts. This is why NAFA works so hard for thousands of North American trappers. With the only wild fur promotional program in the world, NAFA is increasing the demand for wild fur. And with over 400 international buyers competing in our auction room, NAFA always gets the highest prices for your fur. Please visit nafa.ca for more information.